Hello guys, hope you are all doing good. So this is Umar with you, and I thought we'll go live today. So there are many reasons why we should be going live, and one of my staff also is in leave, so I have lots of backlog, so I don't have time to edit. So we'll try and go live. So seeing at the markets today, markets were really very highly volatile today, but it was consolidating, kind of consolidation only we will say. So market gapped down, it gapped down around 16,900 and went all the way to around 17,100. So over the weekend there was a news about RBL Bank, that this RK Damani and Rajesh Chunjunwala approached RBI, sorry, not SEBI, RBI, for acquiring 10% of RBL Bank. And today what happened, you see, there is a drop of RBL Bank is down by around 10%. So that was a disaster for RBL Bank, right? Apart from that, even Nifty and Bank Nifty was kind of consolidating. I think FIIs have come from holiday season. So once they came in, they started selling the market. First 15 or 20 minutes of the candlestick, if you see the first 15 minutes or 20 minutes of the candle, let me show you. It was highly consolidated, highly aggressive selling by FIIs, I think. Yeah, FIIs only would have sold, then who would have sold, right? So yeah, this candlestick, first 5 minutes candlestick, from high of around 16,937, low was around 16,855. So a drop of around 60-80 points. Then we eventually recovered all the day, and this is the same scenario which happened in Bank Nifty also. Even though RBL was down by around 18%, there was not, RBL is a very small contributor to Bank Nifty pack, and it doesn't have any big significance in Bank Nifty, right? So Bank Nifty also recovered, and we are kind of consolidating now, but till how many days we are going to consolidate, we'll have to wait and see, right? We'll have to wait and see. For now what I am seeing is this 17,200, there is a stiff resistance at 17,200. So you will have to watch that. If that 17,200 is taken out, then there is a resistance at 17,500. 17,400 to 17,500. You would have remembered around November 26th or 27th, there was a very big gap down. That gap down caused a problem, and that we are till now, it's been almost how many, 20 to 30 trading sessions. Still now we are not able to cross above that gap down which was caused on November 26. So around 17,400 to 17,600 is the gap on that particular day. Once that gap is taken, then we will be bullish. Till now we are not able to take that gap. Wait for some times, and if you know, we have been telling you there is a trend line formation in Nifty. Let me show you. This trend line has to be taken. If you see it in a day, this is a daily chart of Nifty. I'll just draw you a simple trend line which tells where is the stiff resistance. So once this resistance is taken, then you can go long in Nifty. And same scenario, so here, somewhere here, 17,200 to 17,300, there is a good resistance. Once 17,300 is taken, again 17,500 is also resistance. So there are lots of resistance all the way towards if the market is trying to move on the upside. So downside there is no support, downside there is support. So this is going to be acting as a best support. If I draw a trend line here, one second, let me draw a simple trend line and show you where is the support. So this area is going to be the good support. around 16,500 level. 16,500 level is going to be a good support. So this candle, right, this candle 20th December candle low was around 16,400. So that is going to be a good support area. If that is taken on the downside, then we might go on the downside towards heading south. So on the downside, 16,400 to 16,500 is a perfect support, and on the upside 17,200 to 17,300 is a good resistance. Once market moves above these above or below these levels, you can make good money. So that's what I think, right? Sorry, you have to be directional. Once the market is either going above 17,500, you can go long, or if the market is going below 16,400, you can go short. So Bank Nifty also same scenario. I think Bank Nifty, if you see the Bank Nifty chart, let me show you the Bank Nifty chart. So Bank Nifty, if you see on a daily scale, yeah, let me change it to daily scale. So same formation in Bank Nifty as well. There is a trend formation in Bank Nifty, and let me show you with a simple trend line. You don't have to make any rocket science or anything. Just simple things will teach us many good things here. Yeah, so this one around 36,200 or even 36,000 for as of now 36,000 is going to be a good resistance on the Bank Nifty, and on the actually support, it's still in the support only. This should be acting as a support. If you see here, there are lots of price action activity in this area. Yeah, in this area. So actually we are in bank support only. Bank Nifty is more weaker than Nifty. So so you have to wait and watch. Once this trend line is crossed on the upside, you can go long in Bank Nifty. Around 36,000 should be the stiff resistance, and support is already, we are in the good support now. The support for Bank Nifty as of now is around 34,000, and resistance is around 36,000. 34,000 on the downside and 36,000 on the upside. And if you see the open interest, I don't have to tell you, we are just 3 more trading sessions away from expiry, and there is a today, if you see price action, today's price action, people have returned significant number of 17,000 put option, right? And there is no call rating at all. And if you see historically, there is a good support at 17,000. So that's what the option open interest says. So we can expect Nifty to expire above 17,000 for this expiry. And if you see the weekly option, and if you see the Bank Nifty, as I told you, 34,000, yeah, this is 34,000 should be having a good support. So that's what we were showing you in the chart also. So which was formed on 10th of December or 12th of December, right? So that is going to be the good support, and resistance is going to be the around 36,000. See, so the trend line and our open interest sync with each other. So you decide whether you want to go long or short. Unless until this area is covered, unless until this trend support or resistance is taken out, you just be careful and watch where the Nifty is going or Bank Nifty is going. And yesterday's video also I told you don't have to do anything, you just do a straddle or strangle and you are going to make money, right? So that's what is happening. We did a strangle on Friday, and it's going very well. Till now we are in profit in spite of India VIX going very high. Today alone around 5.5 or 6.8% high, right? So let's see how things pan out, and that's nothing much. So in case if you have any questions, you can ask. Let me check this chart is not refreshing. Yeah, 1 second. Okay, I think there is some problem in my chart. I really want to take your question, but it is not going. Lakshman Kumar has told I have bought lot of put morning. It is hold for expiry. Why would you buy a put in weekly expiry option, brother? Lakshman Kumar. It's not going to help you, right? There's a lot of theta decay happening in weekly option. So in case you want to buy a put option, go for a 4-month expiry option which is expiring 2 months or even 3 months. You go and buy put options or call options. If you are into buying options, go and buy options which expire at least to 2 or 3 months, or you have to go and buy at the money or in the money options, right? So that is we are an option seller, we don't go into buying options. Anyway, I think there is some problem in my browser. This refresh is not this chart is not working as of now. Let me try one more time. Yeah. Okay.